Good morning. So we just try to come over in this place. We're gonna buy a lumber, or we're just gonna try to get some price for the lumber. We will be building deck, and we're putting it also for our house under, since the house is not leveled and I'm kind of sleepy right now. I'm gonna get out in the car. Let's see. I'll show you this place. Look at the lumber. Sounds like this place is the only lumber, and whatever kind of lumber you need, even if it's rough or finished, they have it. Look at the trees that they cut here. I don't know where David goes. I'll show you the place. David is right there. So it's called Lumber Company. So I was just trying to get some price for the lumber that we need for the deck and for the house. It's kind of huge, isn't it? This place, they put all the trees that they cut. They were huge. Look at this. They were really huge. Look at that. I think this is where they put the trees, and they try to make it supply wood, I guess. I'm not really sure on this. They got tractors, and these are trees that they cut. So pretty cool, isn't it? Order already the lumber, and we're gonna get it on Monday. Are we gonna get the lumber on Monday, baby? $600. God, baby. What kind of lumber that you try to buy?
I got all the lumber we need.
$600 for the deck, and
yeah, you're gonna have to
buy $600. No kidding.
Yeah, no kidding.
And it will be delivered on the house.
No, I gotta pick it up. I gotta borrow Gary Lynn's truck to get it.
What time on Monday?
They said Monday afternoon.
Monday afternoon. Is it finished or wrapped?
It's all the lumber we need for the house, the fence, and the deck.
We going to have a fence?
Yeah, I'm gonna build a fence.
Where are you gonna put the fence?
I'm putting it out there by the I got the post in the ground already.
Oh God!
That's why I'm getting all the lumber right now at one time, so I can get all this done.
Did you
I'm
get
at a standstill?
Did you ask for a discount?
That's what?
Discount? Because you bought a lot of stuff?
If I would have bought that at Lowe's, it would have been $2,000.
$2,000. Oh my God. So we bought a lumber that cost $600.
Yeah.
It will be delivered on Monday.
No, I gotta pick it up Monday. I gotta borrow Gary Lynn's truck.
Okay. So you need a truck of Gary Lynn so we can get it, put it in the house. Where are you gonna try to put the lumber when you get it from the store?
In our yard. Okay.
The yard? What? Okay. Alright. So where are we heading now? Home?
Get some food.
Oh yeah, that's cool. trying to get food from McDonald's.
Okay.
Where's my order, baby?
We're fixing it.
Oh, they were fixing it. I got Coke. And then we'll get
Thank you, sir.
a sweet tea.
You get a spoon today?
That's
I give you a spoon.
Did you ask him about my
I don't know, is it
spoon?
in there?
Yeah, I got a spoon. So I got my sundae, chocolate sundae. What else I got? Where's my chicken sandwich? Thank you. I got my spoon for my
Oh, I forgot your chicken sandwich. Oh my
It
god.
Oh my god.
Okay, man.
So I got my chicken sandwich. It smells good. I'm hungry. And I got also my all favorite apple pie. So we're heading home now, finally, after all the errands that we did. First, what's going on in that emergency sheriff complex, David?
Maybe they're having a meeting.
Oh, they are? Okay.
That's their jail.
Jail.
That's the barangay.
Okay.
I mean, that's their jail.
Okay. So I'm gonna try to eat my food now. So I'll catch you up later. God, the food is so good. We were right now in a tractor store. Tractor Supply. We just dropped by here because we're gonna buy chainsaw. I don't know what the chain for the chainsaw, because David needs to cut trees, and I just don't come. I'll show you the place. We're here at Tractor Supply. That's David's favorite store. Just buying his chain for the chainsaw. I'm sorry for that. Well, if you could drop by to any Chinese restaurant.
What time is it?
Oh, I don't know. What place is this, David?
Gary Lynn's Road, ain't it?
Tim Road.
I thought it was Gary Lynn's Road, but I guess it's not.
Tim Road.
I got the lumber for the deck, the lumber for the house, and the lumber for the fence. $600. That's cheap.
Great.
Let's go check it out. Yard sale, Simpson, Kentucky.
God. He was trying to eye for the yard sale, so he found one. Okay, let's check what the yard sale is. So they were doing a yard sale, so we're gonna check what their deals are. So maybe they were selling good stuff right there. I'm kind of feel sleepy still. So that's usually people here, they do their yard sale, like they sell it in their own place. So David will check what their deals is. Come on. Right there, the yard sale. So I spent $6 for the yard sale. So this is what I got. The Care Bears. I got 1, 2. I got books too. Rich Dad and Poor Dad. And then, because I'm gonna try to learn how to do the sign language, so I got this book, the sign language book. Then I got the 50 Shades of Grey, 2 books.
What's that other book?
50 Shades of Grey. I got that before in the Philippines, but I sold it. And since I don't have my hair dryer, it's not working, so I got one for $1. It's a good deal, isn't it? And the last is this one. This is where I could put my water and my water cold or my coffee hot. So all of them for $6.
That's a good deal.
Yeah, I know. It was kind of fun. I don't like to go back to go and check the yard sales. Then I'm the one who bought a lot.
I didn't find anything.
Alright, so have fun doing my yard sale, my first yard sale today. So David was trying to keep chasing the yard sale so he could buy good ones, but I bought a lot today for $6. So if you can put in, if you try to convert into peso like $6, 6 times 50, $300 for all of this. Yeah, it's still good. Because this one, for this, I can sell it to eBay or Facebook Marketplace for $5. So I already gained some little money on this. Plus some of this, the stuff that I bought is, I'm gonna use it. So, no big deal. We're gonna go home now, David. Yeah, we're going home. So that's for all for today. So we're not gonna, I think we're gonna buy some food.
What do you want to eat?
I don't know if you can pass to any Chinese restaurant. Of course I like rice.
We go to a dollar store and get some food.
Oh yeah, we can do that.
Get some ramen noodles.
Ramen noodles. That was really so good. That's David's favorite food. Ramen noodles. So that's all for today. I'll see you in our next video. Bye.
Happy in the future.